What's up, guys? This is Noodles bringing you a tutorial in After Effects CS4, Adobe After Effects CS4. And today's tutorial is going to be on how to use particles, specifically CC Particle World, to create an effect that it's snowing, basically. Um, so yeah, let's get started. Make sure your comp is selected. Why did it do that? Let me delete that quick. Click comp right there. Just make sure that it's highlighted, because if you try this, it won't work. And then go to solid, and then make it black solid, and then it made it black solid. So then Control Y, and then just for the purpose of this video, just showing you another tip here. I'm gonna choose my color first. That's too dark. Yeah, so you for the second solid, you just want to choose a different color. So now my solid here isn't exactly the same width as my composition is. So now this now you want to figure out how to get it back to normal, right? So just go to solid settings, layer solid settings, and then make comp size, and then hit OK, and then it resizes it for you perfectly to your composition settings. And then next you want to take your rounded rec or your ellipse tool. Depending on how advanced you are in After Effects, this might vary. It might be on rectangle or it might be on star. So just make sure it's on ellipse tool and then double click the ellipse button there, and it created a perfect oval to your composition settings. And now there's a yellow border around it with these handles here. That indicates that it's a mask now, as it does here too. And then what you can do, I don't really see a point in this, but maybe you have a solid that's yellow, this perfect yellow. You might want to change that to black, but since my background is black, it's like that. So I'm just gonna make it white, just so that you can see the mask border here. Next, you want to click on that drop down handle, and then you want to take your feather and just feather it. And what feather means is how well whatever is being feathered blends, the how well the color blends on whatever is being feathered. And then take your opacity and drop that down, and I'm just gonna put that at 90. And what opacity means is how visible whatever um whatever selected is. In this case, it's my mask. So now take your text tool, and I'm just gonna write noodles, and the font that I'm using is Century Gothic Bold. Just to make it bold, just click on this right here, and then click bold. So then, once you have that done, you might want to center this a bit more. Click that title safe right there, and then uncheck title safe. So now, make a new solid, another new solid. Let me make my solid, and then make that one black. What? Make that one black as well. That'll be above here. So go to your effects and presets, and then type in particle or part. It just depends. You can type part, but then it just specifies more to which effect you want. And then take a CC particle world, and then drag that in onto your composition, and then just scrub through here. See, it basically emulates um just particles. Kind of looks like this would be like for I guess fire maybe. Really cool effect here. So then to get this off of here, just check go to floor grid, then floor, then off, and then that'll get rid of that. And then you don't really need scrubbers very much. I don't use them at least. Then go to let me go to 5 seconds here so that you can see the particles. Go to particle, and then you want to go to texture or particle type. Sorry, particle type faded sphere, and then you get this kind of nice circle effect here. And then go to breath color white, death color white, just to make it look like snow, cause snow is white. My bad. All right, so I don't think you really need anything else here. Yeah, unless you want to change the death size or the breath size. Um, these two, it just means birth size means how big it'll be when it's first made, when it's born, and then death size means how big it'll be when it's dead or when its specific time runs out. So then click on that to get rid of all that, and go to producer, and then CC Particle World operates in can operate in 3D space. So just I just move these around. I like it at 9. Um, radius Y, make it taller, and then radius Z will make it further spaced apart. So then since it's snow, well, let me show you first. In the beginning, it kind of starts from the middle. Um, so what you can do to change that is just take the position Y and raise that just so that it starts from above your composition from to the top to bottom, and then that's pretty much it. You can make a new what is it called? Camera, a camera. That's what it's called. And this doesn't really matter, but take your camera rotation tool, and then as you can see, the particles operate in 3D space. So yeah, really cool effect here. And then just show you more. See, it kind of looks like it's snowing. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, and subscribe.